Frequently asked project planning questions. What is the best time of year for landscaping projects? While we work year-round, spring and fall generally offer ideal conditions for most planting and landscaping projects. Hardscaping can often be completed throughout the year, weather permitting. How long will my landscaping project take? Project timelines vary based on scope and complexity. Simple installations might be completed in 1-2 days, while comprehensive landscape transformations could take several weeks. We provide estimated timeframes with every proposal. Do I need to be home while you're working on my property? After the initial consultation, you typically don't need to be present while work is being performed. We'll coordinate access requirements with you before beginning the project. What should I do to prepare my property before you start work? We recommend removing any personal items from the work area, marking irrigation lines or other hidden features, and ensuring pets are secured away from the work zone. We'll provide specific preparation guidelines for your project. Contact us for a free consultation.